How to switch your Instagram account to a business account from your personal or the creator account. If any day you are an Instagram user and you have a personal account or a creator account on the Instagram and you would like to change your Instagram personal or the creator account to the business account but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, now you have to launch the Instagram application on your mobile device and then go to the three lines on the top. After that, you have to go to the option of the settings and privacy and then go to the option of the creators tool and control. After you go to the creators tool and control, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of the switch the account type, and here you can see the option of switch to business account. You have to tap on that and then tap on the option of switch. This way you can switch it to a business account from your personal account or your creator account on Instagram. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.